Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best GShock watches, best G that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the GShock Casio G-Steel Solar Connected Blue Dial Black Resin Strap Watch, GBM2100A-1A2. This watch combines sleek design with advanced solar technology, making it an attractive option for those who want both style and sustainability. The standout feature here is the solar-powered movement, which eliminates the need for frequent battery changes, a big plus for eco-conscious users. The blue dial, paired with silver-tone hands, adds a pop of sophistication to the rugged black resin strap. The design exudes a premium feel thanks to its resin and stainless steel build. The case size is substantial at 49.3 mm by 44.4 mm, yet it maintains a slim profile with an 11.9 mm thickness, making it comfortable for daily wear. It's also water-resistant up to 200 meters, so whether you're at the gym or snorkeling, this watch can handle it all. The mineral glass crystal ensures durability, while the buckle clasp offers a secure fit. However, the lack of a listed price makes it harder to assess its overall value compared to other options. While the solar movement and premium materials are definite advantages, this model may not offer as many specialized features as others on this list. It's ideal for those who value a clean, modern design paired with eco-friendly functionality. Pros include its solar movement and stylish design, but cons include the limited feature set relative to its competitors. Ranked at number 4, we have the Casio Men's GShock Quartz Resin Casual Watch, model GA700 1BDR. This watch is the epitome of durability and bold design, crafted for those who need a reliable companion for rugged adventures. The standout feature is its hybrid analog-digital display, which combines the classic look of analog hands with the practicality of a digital screen. The 3D face design gives it a dynamic aesthetic, while the high-brightness LED illumination ensures visibility in low-light conditions. In terms of build, the GA700 1BDR is as tough as they come. It boasts a massive 53 mm case diameter and a hefty 16.7 mm thickness, making it one of the larger watches on this list. Despite its size, the resin band ensures a snug and comfortable fit. Water resistance of up to 660 feet means it's well suited for water sports and recreational diving. Additionally, the hand shift function allows the analog hands to temporarily move out of the way to reveal the digital display, an innovative touch for added convenience. On the downside, this watch lacks some advanced features like solar charging or smartphone connectivity. It's best suited for users who prioritize durability and a bold aesthetic over high-tech extras. Pros include its rugged design, high visibility, and hybrid display, while cons include its bulky size and absence of premium features. Coming in at number 3 is the GShock Men's GBD200 Square Case Watch. Designed for fitness enthusiasts, this model is part of the GShock Move lineup and incorporates a step counter, interval timer, and calorie tracker to support your daily workouts. It also pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to access GPS for more accurate distance tracking and activity data. The thinner profile, compared to earlier Move models, makes it more comfortable for all-day wear. The square case design is a nod to GShock's classic aesthetic, while the lightweight resin build ensures durability without adding bulk. The 45.9 mm case diameter and 15 mm thickness strike a balance between presence and comfort. The soft urethane band is adjustable, providing a secure fit for a wide range of wrist sizes. Additionally, the front button for display illumination is a thoughtful feature for nighttime training sessions. On the flip side, the automatic movement may not appeal to users who prefer quartz accuracy. While it's packed with fitness-focused features, the GBD200 may be overkill for casual users who don't need advanced tracking. It's perfect for athletes or those who want to integrate fitness tracking into their daily lives. Pros include its fitness tracking features and smartphone connectivity, while cons include its niche appeal and potentially steep learning curve for non-technical users. At number 2, we have the Casio DW9052 series, a budget-friendly powerhouse that delivers all the classic GShock toughness at an unbeatable price of $46.25. This model is ideal for those who want a reliable, no-nonsense digital watch for everyday use and outdoor adventures. Key features include a 100-second stopwatch, countdown timer, dual time zones, and an auto calendar. It also offers a multi-alarm system, making it practical for staying organized throughout the day. The design is straightforward yet functional. The 43mm round resin case is compact enough for various wrist sizes, while the 14.7mm thickness provides a rugged look without being overly bulky. The mineral glass protects the digital display, and the LED backlight ensures visibility in the dark. With a water resistance depth of 660 feet, this watch is suitable for swimming and snorkeling, though it's not designed for serious diving. The DW9052 series excels in durability and simplicity, but its lack of advanced features, like smartphone connectivity or solar charging, may deter tech-savvy users. However, for under $50, this watch punches well above its weight. It's a great choice for students, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who wants a dependable timepiece without breaking the bank. Pros include its affordability, durability, and practical features, while cons include its basic design and limited functionality. Finally, at number 1, we have the Casio GShock shock-resistant DW5600UE1V. Known as the quintessential G-Shock, this model combines iconic design with exceptional durability, making it the top choice for G-Shock enthusiasts. Priced at $59.96, it offers a fantastic balance of features and affordability. The rectangular case design is a nod to the original G-Shock models, and its compact size makes it suitable for a wide range of users. This watch is built to withstand anything you throw at it. The resin case and band are robust yet lightweight, while the mineral glass protects the digital display from scratches. The DW5600UE1V includes all the essential features: a 100-second stopwatch, countdown timer, multifunction alarm, and auto calendar pre-programmed until 2039. It's water-resistant up to 660 feet, making it ideal for recreational diving. And its shock resistance ensures it can handle the toughest environments. What sets this model apart is its timeless design and proven reliability. It's perfect for anyone seeking a durable, no-frills watch that doesn't compromise on quality. While it lacks advanced features like Bluetooth or solar charging, its simplicity is part of its charm. Pros include its iconic design, rugged build, and excellent value, while cons are limited to its basic functionality compared to newer models. This is the perfect watch for everyday wear, outdoor adventures, and everything in between. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.